Okay, this is interesting. And okay, good day, everyone. My name is Preya. Welcome to LEAGO RIFUMO Trading Show. We'll be trading our PM session using our we're using ICT concepts. We'll be specifically trading Nasdaq and SP 500. But before we get there, uh, let us go back and look at our swing trading positions and the swing trading setup that I have. Uh, this Monday, I spoke of. I was looking to edit. I think I'll add now a limit here. I think I'll add now the limit. AUDSD is looking from yesterday. From if you can go back and watch yesterday's video, there was a video yesterday that I posted, the weekly forecast video, where I specifically spoke about AUDSD that I'm looking for shorts on AUDSD at that weekly low, at the reaches of the weekly low, and it's looking like AUDSD. It's going there. So I'll go ahead, add limits because I didn't add any limit before while I'm still here. Um, but yeah, let me add the limit on AUDSD. Then I'm going to trade my stop loss to this low here because that's what I've been waiting for. So this is the first segment of the show where we look at trade ideas of the swing trading before we go to day trading. Okay, I'm just going to add a position here and then move my stop loss just to below the high there. So I'm going to use my phone to add positions. But while I am doing it, what do you think of the setup? Just let me know in the comment section. What do you think? And what do you think? How will AUD USD react for the rest of the week? Remember, there is remember on Friday? I mean, there's CPI this week. So CPI might change everything, but for now, I am looking at adding position AUD USD. Oh, what's happening with this network? It's not doing something now. Anyway, okay. While I'm still waiting to do that, my network's a bit shaky. I will look to, so while waiting to do that, I'm just allowing my network to do what it wants. So I'm looking to adding position now. I'll trade my stop loss for the first position to this higher and add a position now. So this is AUDUSD. If I add AUDUSD, I am not going to add a position on AUDCAT because that's what I was looking for as well. But before we go further with our positioning, I created a fundamental spreadsheet here, and let me just quickly share it with you. Hold on, sorry. There's a fundamental spreadsheet that I did. For the strong bearish momentum, there's Euro USD that I'm still looking into. Let me just quickly do that. Let me just quickly. It's gonna look for bullish trade that I'm looking for here. It's a USD CAD, USD JPY, US oil. Okay, use them. That's not a favorite, and then GPP AUD. Okay, let's see how it's looking like. So those are the positions that I'm waiting for right now, and I'm interested in. Okay, let's start with GPP AUD. Let's see what we have. But remember, guys, this is for not financial advice. So yeah, we have tapped into our daily fair value gap, and I'm looking to go long. So I'm just gonna be waiting on the 4 hour time frame to see how the market's gonna react at the 4 hour time frame. Specifically, let me mark that. So I think GPB if it's still giving me the fundamental, if it's still giving me bullish reading on my fundamental spreadsheet, I'll love to take it. I'll definitely love to take it. What's happening with this network? I've never had a terrible network. I'll love to take it. So I'm looking for something like that to push to the upside. So I'm just patiently waiting. As I explained on the spreadsheet, that's what I'm looking for. We got a very bullish NFP number over the week. Let's just quickly look at USD JPY, AUD, USD CAD, because those are the other positions that I'm looking into. So, but why still at it? What do you think, guys? What do you think of Nasdaq and S&P 500? Because right now, for me, it's giving me what do you call this? It's giving me a neutral reading on my fundamental spreadsheet that I've created, where I mark the fundamental spreadsheet based on CPI, NFP, PPI, PMI, CO2 data, and the last one, it's seasonality. So I mark it based on that. So there's no other trade that I'll be looking for except AUDSD that I'm looking into adding a position here. What the hell is happening here? I'm looking into adding a stop limit here and move my stop loss to this low. This will be the second positions on AUDUSD. But with that being said, come on, dude. What's happening with you? I do trade Bitcoin Lungi on YouTube. And so long you can also anyone can also go to YouTube where it's a landscape view. You can clearly see everything that I'm talking about. I do trade Bitcoin, but Bitcoin, I'm just gonna quickly explain Bitcoin, then I'm gonna go do my day trading analysis. I do trade Bitcoin. Hmm. I do trade Bitcoin, but for Bitcoin, I'm staying out. So for Bitcoin, I'm anticipating a retest to this fair value gap before I start looking for longs. Or if it's an extreme discount, this will be the extreme discount that I'm looking for. But my best bet for right now, I'm looking at direction around 85,000 or 80,000. That way I think Bitcoin might bounce to go back to the upside. So right now, I'm just waiting out on Bitcoin. Okay. I hope I answered you. Thank you so much, Ola. Can you hear me though? It's happening here. There's something weird happening, and I don't know if I'll be able to trade today. I'm struggling with network, so pardon me, guys. Okay. I think I've addressed that. Let's go to our day trading. I've now the first segment of the show has ended, where we look at and update my swing trading positions that I have or continue looking for positions. Now, let's go to our day trading from analysis to the end. Let's see, PM session is starting now at half past. So let's do our analysis. Will I be able to trade it here? Okay. So, which one is our weekly low? Let me see. Just gonna mark our weekly low because I think the market is gonna push to the lowest. Okay, taking it. And it's like this is the slow that we have. Okay. Um, see the forward. Okay. Interesting. Oh, what is this? There is a fair value gap that is of my interest here. That could be on that's a possible target. That's a possible target. Oh, let me add my PM session indicator. I have a terrible network today, guys. Please pardon me. If I'm lagging, please let me know. So we could have a reaction at that 4 hour fair value gap, but let's look closely lower and see what you have. 1 hour time frame. Okay, this is interesting. My blank this. I love the reaction. Um, hmm, there's an invasion here. One age invading FPG. There's a serious invasion here. I can't just stop my phone. Why does this not come to happen? Okay. No, let me change the plans. So we have a clear invasion fair value gap there. I think the bias for let me look at S&P 500. Do we have any S&T? Okay, we don't have here. But we've already invaded this. Okay. So I think I'm bullish for now for this PM session, but I'll confirm as I go lower to my lower time frame for setup. But because we already see an invasion fair value gap here. We already see an invasion fair value gap to the upside. And so with the invasion fair value gap, see, is this broken down to me? Invasion fair value gap, high there, and then we have low here. Okay. Invasion of the fair value gap, we're retesting that invasion. So then I'll be looking at the 4H closely, but I'm bullish. I think I'm bullish. Interesting. Okay. I think I'm bullish here. What do I want to say? Yeah, this is what I want to say. I'm looking for continuation. I'm looking for continuation to the upside as we're going closer to the PM session of it. So look at that. Look at there's a fair value gap here on S&P 500. There's a clear 15 minutes fair value gap uh, on the there's a clear 15 minutes fair value gap on S&P 500. Even though Nasdaq didn't give us that, but I'll I'll be happy to still go along as well. So my targets it will be this higher. Nice reaction. Also, look at the reaction that 15 minutes fair value gap. So I love the reaction there. I think I'm happy to go long. So what's frustrating when I go closer and look at the 5 minutes, with this 5 minutes we've been looking at there, and it's a clear inversion. Let me watch closely. I am bullish, but when the market is doing, it's interesting for me. Okay. We invaded that and we seem to be rejecting. Is there an SMT here? I could look to go short if I get what I want to see. Let me just wait for PM session to open and then I'll decide what to do. Because we have a clear market structure shift here. Let me mark this. Oh, detail. Let's push it over. Let me think about it. Market structure shift. Interesting. So this could be the first entry, but I'm not happy with it. I said I'm bullish, but if anything changes, then I will definitely. This is Nasdaq. I'll definitely look into entering short, long shots. But I have to be extra careful. I have to be extra careful. But I love the reaction at that fair value gap to push lower. That is not what I'm looking for. Look at the reaction also on S&P 500 at that fair value gap. Just for me, there's no SMT, so I don't think I'll look into entering it. Yeah, US 100. I don't know if you can hear me though. Okay. Your PM session is about to open. We are holding this. If we get it closer above, I'm going to start looking for longs. If you get it closer above, I'm going to start looking for longs. I'm just going to wait now. Let's start this busy. Let me remove certain things. Let me quickly set this thing up. Just doing quickly. I'm just quickly setting this thing that I use. Yeah. Okay. Don't want to show the box. Why don't you give me that setting? Give me a second. Oh, sure, sure, kill boxer. No, no. Okay, good move to the upside. That's what I've been waiting for. So I'm gonna wait for this 5 minutes closure. I'm gonna start looking for longs. Good move to the downside. I mean to the upside. If it closes, I'm gonna look for the reaction here. If it closes above and leave again. Okay, we are officially in the PM session. So we're starting to get this momentum that is happening in the market. We've taken this high. S&P 500 failed. Oh, it also taken that high. Okay. But just sweeps. If it leaves this paper, look at didn't close above. Oh, okay. I'm just waiting for the 5 minutes closure. We push here. I'm doing it with this number. Just now. No. Just like this week. Spend on it. Okay, just quick question on TikTok. Can you hear me? Am I still audible? Anyone on TikTok that can let me know if I'm still audible? Am I clear? Anyway, guys, let me know. Are you bullish or bearish today during the PM session? Are you bullish or bearish in today's PM session? Come on. It's happening. My network is bad. Okay. Ooh, my network is terrible. Anyone bullish or bearish?